hair fall, thinning hair, weak roots. These problems are becoming more common than ever, and one natural remedy that keeps getting attention for hair growth is red onion juice. Red onions are rich in sulfur compounds, and that's important because our hair is mostly made of keratin, a protein that needs sulfur for strength and structure. This is why many people use onion juice to support stronger-looking hair and reduce breakage naturally. Red onion also contains antioxidants like quercetin, which may help protect the scalp from oxidative stress. And according to some studies, onion juice may help improve blood circulation around the hair follicles, helping the scalp receive more oxygen and nutrients. Now, obviously, onion juice is not magic. It won't grow hair overnight. But when used consistently, many people notice less shedding, healthier roots, and better scalp condition over time. Red onion juice. Remedy. To make simple onion juice, take one fresh red onion, cut it into small pieces, and blend it well. Then strain the mixture using a cloth or fine strainer to extract the juice. Apply the fresh juice directly onto your scalp, especially on the roots and thinning areas. Massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes and leave it on for around 30 minutes before washing with a mild shampoo. But now, let's take this remedy to the next level. Instead of using plain onion juice alone, we can combine onion with rosemary and cloves, two ingredients that are becoming extremely popular for scalp and hair care. Rosemary is known for supporting scalp circulation, which may help create a healthier environment for hair follicles. Some research even suggests rosemary may help support hair growth over time when used consistently. Cloves are rich in antioxidants and contain natural compounds that may help keep the scalp cleaner and healthier. They're also commonly used in natural remedies to add shine and freshness to the hair. Rosemary and clove onion remedy. Take 1 chopped red onion, 1 teaspoon dried rosemary, ½ teaspoon cloves, 1 to 2 cups water. Add everything into a pot and let it simmer on low heat for around 20 to 30 minutes. As the ingredients simmer together, the water slowly takes in the natural goodness from the onion, rosemary, and cloves. Once the color changes and the water becomes infused, turn off the heat and let it cool completely. Now strain the mixture and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray it directly onto your scalp and massage gently for a few minutes. Leave it on for at least 1 hour before washing your hair. Use this remedy 2 to 3 times a week consistently. And remember, healthy hair growth also depends on nutrition, sleep, stress levels, and overall scalp health. Natural remedies work best when you stay consistent and take care of your body from the inside too. Always do a patch test first, especially if you have sensitive skin or scalp irritation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.